In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to Zangi Favorites. Let's start by opening the Zangi app and heading to the Contacts tab. On most devices, you'll see Contacts in the bottom navigation bar, but depending on your version, it might also be near the top. If you don't spot it right away, look for the icon or label that shows your list of people. Make sure the app is up to date and that you're connected to the internet, so your lists load correctly. Once you're in Contacts, you're in the right place to mark someone as a favorite for quicker access later. Next, find the person you want to favorite. Your list might be filtered as All Contacts or Zangi Contacts. All Contacts typically includes everyone from your phone book and your Zangi connections, while Zangi Contacts shows only people who are on Zangi. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to type the person's name. When you see the right entry, tap it to open their contact or profile details. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right person by checking their avatar or username if shown. Inside the contact's profile, look for an option labeled Add to Favorites. Depending on your interface, it might appear as a button, a toggle, or a star icon near the top of the screen. In some layouts, you may need to tap a three-dot menu to reveal it. When you find Add to Favorites, tap it. You should see a small confirmation, like a filled star or a brief message, indicating that the change has been applied. Now that you've marked them as a favorite, they'll appear in your favorites list, which usually sits at the top of your contacts for easy access. To confirm, go back to the main contacts view and look for a favorites section or a cluster of starred contacts near the top. If you don't see the change right away, give the app a second to refresh or switch between All Contacts and Zangi Contacts to update the view. If your list is particularly large, scrolling a bit can help surface the Favorites section. That's all there is to it. You've opened Zangi, found the right person, added them to Favorites, and verified that they now appear at the top. This small tweak makes calling and messaging your most important contacts faster and more convenient every day.